Alright guys, so I don't know how well you can see me, but we're on our way to go pick up my dad. We're gonna go to the junkyard. He actually had sorry, have to shift. He actually had something kind of weird happen to his truck. He drives a 01 Toyota Tacoma, just a 4-cylinder one. And basically, long story short, is that he needs a new spindle. And we're gonna go to the junkyard. I saw a couple trucks, 95 and 98. I believe those years spindles also fit on my dad's truck. So we're gonna go check it out, see if we can find them. And I think the 4Runners also, their spindles also fit the Tacoma, and I think the T100s, but I found a couple Tacomas and some 4Runners. So we're gonna go pick them up. We're gonna go to the junkyard and see if we find anything. Since we're over there, I'm gonna see if I find anything for the Civic or anything of interest. I don't expect to pick up anything, but we'll see. All right, so I'll see if I can record a little bit inside the junkyard. But yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I didn't record any video of the junkyard. Basically just went to the area where the Tacoma was at, pulled the spindle, and we left. I didn't really walk the yard or anything like that. Because I dropped off my dad at home already. I'm heading out back to my house. We're gonna go and I'm pretty sure we're gonna go to Walmart. We're gonna get some ball joint grease and the grease gun. I am going to put the motor control arm, tie rod in. The tie rod in. I'm going to put the tie rod in today on both sides, and I need to grease them up. I've never done it before, so it'll be my first time doing it. We'll see how that goes, and hopefully I don't mess it up. So just a little bit on my plans, what my plans are for the car. Right now, I'm just trying to get the suspension right. I'm gonna check under there when I jack up the car. Another thing that I have in the works is doing a rear disc conversion on my car. I already got the trailing arms for both sides. I also got the front spindles from Integra that I'm also gonna replace. I'm gonna put those in this car, give a little bit more disc brake for the car, or a little bit more stopping power for the car. Because like I said, one of the previous video, I do plan on going V20B, V20Z. In the future, I know it's not a lot more horsepower, but just to do it. It's more for the torque that I'm going for. So like I said, it's more for the torque that I'm going for, not really the horsepower. It is my daily driver, so I still got to keep it fairly simple to drive on the road. We'll do that in the future, hopefully till the end of the year if I'm lucky enough. One thing that's in the works, and I'm hoping to do it within the next few weeks, maybe month and a half, 2 months max, hopefully, is do the rear disc brake conversion. So I already got the trailing arm from an Integra. I also pulled the front spindles to get bigger disc brakes in it as well. Got all that ready. I am replacing the wheel bearings in the spindles, and I'm also replacing the rear wheel bearings. I'm going to try to replace all the bushings in the rear trailing arm. I also have the lower ball joint for the front. The front spindles. I also have the bushing for that. Not the bushing, the lower ball joint. I want to replace my upper control arm and my lower control arm in the front. I think that's the issue that I'm having, why it's sagging. The car did leak before I purchased it. Somebody did a major overhaul on the cams, and so stopped leaking. but it was leaking. I'm guessing the oil maybe sat on the bushings there and kind of disintegrated them. That's why I get the thump when I'm driving, or even when I'm stopped and I push the car down, I'll get the thump. Hoping that's what it is. Maybe I should go straight. Yeah, I'm gonna go straight. So I'm hoping to get that resolved. I'm going to Walmart right now. We're gonna pick up some grease and a grease gun to do these tie rod ends. So that's what we're gonna be doing this video. We're gonna be doing some tie rod ends, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. So back from Walmart, got my grease gun, and I already finished one side. I'm gonna start doing this side. On the other side, this inner tie rod. You can see it. Let's see. This inner tie rod was bad. This one doesn't. This one, might be bad too. But this one, on the other side, when I took the outer tie rod out, really easy to move them. From my understanding, that they shouldn't be that easy. So I'm probably gonna have to replace that side. We'll see how it goes. See how bad it is on this side, but I mean, if I got to replace that side, I'll probably replace this one as well. Just more stuff that's tacks on, and prolongs me doing anything real fun with the car. But it needs it, and it's for safety. The other side's already done, like I said. I did get Movtech outer tie rod, but you're gonna need 19mm open wrench. I use the 7/8 for leverage, just to be able to break it open. Use a 17mm ratchet and this small 8mm open wrench. That's for the top nipple that it has. So let's see if I'm able to crack this one open as easy as I was with the other one. I'm gonna do the cotter pin first. Finally. Oh, finally got this shit off. It took forever. I'm gonna probably speed through it, as that was a lot of nothing. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the castle nut upside down. I'm not gonna reuse any of this, but upside down to get more leverage. I'm gonna pound on this to break the seal there. Seal, whatever it is, to break it open. Alright, so it's loose, and yeah, you can see the play on this. I mean, it's terrible. Crap. This shit isn't even loose. I'm gonna have to hold it from there and twist this. So there we go. Drop this off. You can see the play in that. I was doing nothing anymore. Another one. And that one's harder to move, as you can see. compared to this one, where it just rebounds back. So the other one was, the one on the driver's side was stiffer. Alright, so got the new cotter pin here. Got a new nut that you're supposed to put over here, but because I'm not going to do an alignment just yet, I'm going to hold off on doing that. I'll probably do it when I put the inner tie rod. And then you got the little nipple. Alright, so it only threads in very little. Then I got my 8mm. I'm going to thread that in a little bit more. I'm not going to thread it in all the way down. I don't know if you're supposed to or not before you fill it. And about there is to have a little gap there. Okay, gonna get that castle nut off. And we'll see how this is too long. Alright, so let's get the castle nut on. I mean the outer tie rod on. Alright, so I just did it so nice and snug. What pounds of torque? I don't know. Probably underdid it, or I probably overdid it. Alright. So you split the cotter pin open. Split this one open. There you go. Alright, so got a bulge on the other side, it's not flat anymore. Got that done. And just wipe off the grease like that. And we'll finish tying that up. Alright, so it's nice and tight, it's all the way down. We should be good. Alright, so hopefully this isn't too dark. But I just finished up the car. I got it down already. I gotta tighten it up. I haven't tightened up to the lug nuts. So with me finding out that I have to replace the inner tie rods, and then possibly the lower control arm, I'm probably gonna put a hold on the rear disc conversion just for a little bit. So I think that's more important to do, especially since I daily drive the car. Want to make sure that it's roadworthy, and I'm tired of the clunk sounds and the badunk sounds, and just want to have it smooth. So for right now, I'm gonna put a hold on that. So this video, you know, like you guys saw, was a little bit of vlogging, a little bit of a how-to. I'm gonna try to change the format of the videos a little bit, see how that goes. But yeah, I mean, just continue to watch, like, subscribe, follow me. All right, so just remember to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the Instagram name in the description, and thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.